Welcome back. In this section, we'll be covering the different components of removable orthodontic appliances. Now, removable orthodontic appliances are made up of following components: active component, retentive component, and then your base plate. Now, what are these active components? Now, active components are the components that apply force to the teeth to bring about desired tooth movement. They comprise of your labial bows, springs, elastics, and expansion screw. Each of this component would be covered in detail in the coming sections. Now, what are your retentive components? Your retentive components are the component that retains and stabilizes an orthodontic appliance in the oral cavity by contacting the surface of the teeth or by engaging the interproximal embrasures. Basically, retentive components are made up of clasp. There are different retentive clasps such as your C-clasp, Adams clasp, arrowhead clasp, triangular clasp, crozet clasp, resta clasp, south end clasp, and your ball end clasp. Now, what are base plates? The primary function of the base plate is to incorporate all the components together into a single functional unit. So, base plate, it helps in retention of the appliance and also in the anchorage. So, basically, base plate forms the framework of your removable orthodontic appliance. Functions of the base plate are: it carries and unites all the components of removable orthodontic appliance into a single functional unit. It helps in retention of removable orthodontic appliance. It provides anchorage by preventing unwanted drift of teeth. It transmits forces uniformly throughout the area. It can be used to support the springs made of smaller gauge wire which lacks strength. Base plate can be extended to form various types of bite plates that are used to treat different types of malocclusion. Now, your base plate can be made either out of cold cure or heat cure acrylic. The advantages with the heat cure acrylic is it has more color stability, it has less porosity, and it has more strength compared to your self cure acrylic. Now, coming to your self cure or cold cure acrylic, it is more convenient. That is, it is easier to manipulate a cold cure acrylic. The curing is faster with self cure. It is cost effective, and with cold cure it is possible for a repair. Design of your base plate. In maxillary base plate, it is usually extended up to distal end of first molar, covering the entire palate. Such wide coverage, it enhances the strength of your base plate. Less bulky, narrow, horseshoe-shaped maxillary base plate can also be used, but they are less stable and may get dislodged during tongue movements. The design of your mandibular base plate is different from your maxillary base plate. As we have tongue in middle, we need to relieve acrylic in the middle portion so as to make space for your tongue.